Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Bosch Gaggenau Thermador Stove Range Cooktop Power Module, part number 619757. The Bosch Gaggenau Thermador Stove Range Cooktop Power Module. Part number 619757 is a replacement part for the Bosch, Gaggenau, and Thermador Stove Range Cooktops. This power module is designed to provide power to the cooktops, burners, and other components. It features a high-quality construction with a durable plastic housing and copper wiring. The module also includes an integrated thermal fuse for added safety. This part is compatible with many models of Bosch, Gaggenau, and Thermador Stove Range Cooktops. It is easy to install and can help restore your co. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a power module for Bosch, Gaggenau, and Thermador stove ranges and cooktops. It is designed to fix issues with the range or cooktop not powering on, not heating up properly, or not responding to commands. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the stove range cooktop at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing power module from the stove range cooktop by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect any wires that are connected to the existing power module. 4. Place the new Bosch Gaggenau Thermador Stove Range Cooktop Power Module, part number 619757, into position and secure it with screws. 5. Connect all of the wires to their respective terminals on the new power module, making sure to match up colors and sizes correctly. 6. Turn on the power to the S. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.